it's going to be very windy around here, but right now we just have some storms up to our north, so nice to get some of that precip. We definitely need it. We do have some storms in southern Colorado, but the bulk of our rain right now is all the way from parts of Moffett and Rio Blanco counties into parts of Grand Lake, Larimer County. I have a friend living in Fort Collins. She said some nice rain for her right now. In the Denver area, not much for us. A little bit just south of Denver area near Monument right now. A few showers near Conifer. Futurecast for tonight, we're going to continue to see a little bit of rain, and there is just a slight chance of a little bit of rain here in Denver. So the possibility is not out of the question, and we could still have some rain out on our eastern plains early tomorrow morning. That will clear, however, and then we're looking at a windy day with just a few isolated rain showers on the western side of the state into the afternoon and evening. Our fall color guide, if you're trying to head out this weekend, again, it will be windy out there. The northern part of the state is starting to see those colors really turn for us. Still have a ways to go heading into the southern part of the state. This comes from Rod McKinney. He took this yesterday in Breckenridge, so lots of beautiful fall colors out there. So keep sending us in your pictures. We would love to see what it looks like out there. I can't always make it to the high country, and like I said, windy weather out there. We do have a wind advisory from noon tomorrow to 9 o'clock for Moffett County all the way down into Mesa County. Gusts up to 45 miles an hour, and again, it's just so dry out there, so be careful. And then heading into Sunday, we're looking at a fire weather watch. This will turn into a red flag warning on Sunday, but for parts of the foothills all the way out towards the eastern plains, fire danger extremely high with winds up to 60 miles an hour, low humidity. It's hot once again, and we have a lot of dry vegetation out there, so please be extra careful. If you're maybe having some plans to grill on Sunday for the Broncos game, you might want to cook inside. A, it's going to be windy outside, but B, that fire danger is just really, really high. And speaking of the Broncos, windy during the game. Temperatures will be in the mid 80s, and then by the end of the game, we should be in the low 80s. So Sunday kickoff 2:25, sunny and windy out there. Right now, you have 75 in Denver, 58 in Fort Collins. A beautiful night there. My friend who lives up there said it's so nice with the rain in the 50s, 60s, 70s out east. High country 60s to the 70s, and then 60s to the 80s on the western slope. 64 from our weather watcher Mark Manheimer in Silverthorne, and 67 outside the CBS 4 studios right now. Again, you can see that wind. It is still a little windy in many areas after that front passed through. 79 out of DIA earlier today, 79 downtown. So temperatures didn't quite drop as much as we hoped to, but still a lot cooler than the last couple of days, still running above our average. And tonight we have a lot of upper 40s and low 50s for the front range and plains, 30s and 40s in the high country, 40s to the 50s on the western slope. And tomorrow, about the same as today, 79 in Denver, but 60s out on the eastern plains, 60s, 70s in the high countries, 80s for the most part on the western slope, 87 on Sunday. It's warm. It is windy around here. A little cooler on Monday. We get a bigger cool down coming our way on Tuesday with a very slight chance of some rain.
Ooh, I'm ready to make some fall dishes.
Exactly.
The chili. You know what I'm talking about.
I'm
all
ready
that good
to eat
stuff.
that. Yeah,
Yes.
sounds good.
Dom's like,
Yeah.
I don't cook. Thank you, Lauren.